guys, what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have another Stitch Fix unboxing for you guys. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, I have a referral link down below. If you click on that, you get $25 towards your first box. So click on that and let me know how you liked your first box in the comments below. And if you like these kind of videos, let's get started. Okay, so in the box, you receive a return bag that has a label on it, so you can return any items that you don't want. Next, you have a style card. Here is my style card. And then you have your price sheet of all the items and the descriptions. Excuse me. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is show you the items, tell you what they are, do the try on. Next to, right after the try on, you'll have a picture and it'll tell you the description and the price of each item, and then we'll go over it at the end. Okay, so the first item we have is some shorts, and they have button up, and they are by Can. They're high-waisted, it looks like, and we'll see if I like them. I'm not sure. I have a bunch of other shorts by Can that I got. These are the Can Illa Distress Cuffed Short in Indigo. So they're cute. We'll try them on with the shirts and stuff that they sent. Okay, so the next item we have is this off the shoulder. Let me get rid of this. Off the shoulder top. It's stretchy. It's super cute. I like it. It's red and white. So this, or it's pink and white, not sure. Dark pink. Okay, it's the Cloth and Stone Macy off the shoulder textured top in dark pink. So there it is. Okay, the next item we have here, this is very high quality, this top, is this mustard colored scalloped tank. And on the sleeves, you'll see that it is scalloped. And on the back, it has this zipper that goes all the way down. You can see that. And it's scalloped all the way in the back. So we'll see what this looks like. I love the colored mustard. It feels like very good quality. This is 41 Hawthorne Alla Scallop Detail Blouse in mustard. So we'll see. Okay, next is this top. It looks like just a collared shirt with a tie in the front. I'll bring it a little closer. It looks like cream or white and red stitching. And then it has your tie here. This here is the Lila Lee Juniper tie front top in off-white, and that's a size extra small. So we will see what that looks like. And last but not least, it is a maxi dress. This is super cute. I love maxi dresses and I love navy blue. It looks like it is tank, and in the back it has these cute straps. This would be great under a jean jacket. It's super soft, and it looks like it has a slit at the bottom. I don't know if you can see it. You can see it in the try on. It is super soft. I actually like this a lot. This is the Paper Moon Wendolyn knit maxi dress in navy. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is do the try on, then we can come back and look at prices and decide what I'm keeping. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so the first item we have are these Can shorts. They're super comfortable. They have a high rise. They fit really nice. They're just not my style. I'm not a super high waist jeans short kind of girl. They fit really nicely. If you like super soft jean shorts, these are it for you. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you want to request them, I'll have a picture right after this try on. Okay, so next is the top. It's nice. It fits really good. Super soft. I like the design, as you can see. The off the shoulder, it's pretty. Yeah, I mean, I like it. It would be cute with a pair of jeans as well. Okay, next is this top. It's okay. I just don't like how it goes down super low and it comes super close right here. It's hard even to wear a bra with it. So I'm not super impressed with it. You can also see through it. You can see the tag. The back is cute. I wasn't able to zip it up all the way. The design is really nice, but it's really too dressy for me. Really wouldn't have anywhere to wear this to. I have something similar in my closet already that was probably a quarter of the price. So yeah, let me know what you think. Okay, next I have is this top. It is okay. It's not really my style. I like knot front tops, but this one I'm not really fond of the collar. It's cute though. It lays really nice. It has some cuff sleeves, has the button up here. I mean, it's okay. I have the shorts still on. They're super comfortable. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. It's just basic. Nothing, it's not wowing me. Okay, next is the maxi dress. It fits super cute. Designs are like this pattern here. It fits so nicely in the waist. I'm gonna bring you guys down. I'm a sucker for a maxi dress. And here it is. It fits super nice. It fits perfectly, has a slit on the side, just one side and not on this side. I'm gonna come a little closer. It pulls in at the waist and it fits awesome. Like, I love it. So pretty. Wear this with a pair of flip-flops, sandals, jean jacket. Let's pull it back up. So yeah, this might be the only thing that I keep. I actually like this a lot. It crisscrosses in the back. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Okay, I'm back with my final thoughts. So let's go over. First item we have is these shorts. They're super cute, super soft. They're just not really my style. The can shorts. And these are $44. So if you like these type of shorts and a little bit longer in a cuff, these will definitely be for you, and they're high-waisted. So for me, they're not really my style. Okay, next we have here is this top. So this was cute. I don't know if I would buy it out. I like the design. The off the shoulder thing, it's just hard to keep up and it flies off. So this is the top. It is by Cloth and Stone and it's $78. So I'm definitely gonna pass on this. I don't think I would ever pay $78 for a top unless it completely wowed me, and this did not. But if you like it, you can request it and I'll have the description with the try on. Next top here is the 41 Hawthorne scalloped top in mustard, $54. I'm gonna pass on this since I already have something in mustard. I've worn it in one of my videos, so I'm definitely gonna pass on that. This top here really was not my style. I like the tie front, but not anything else about it. This is the Layla Lee, and this is $40. So I'm gonna pass on that. And last but not least is the Paper Moon maxi dress. And this one is $54, and I'm a sucker for a maxi dress, so I'm gonna keep it. The total for the box was $270, buy all 5 discount, $67.50 off, $202.50. So I think I'm gonna ask and request for a new stylist. The last couple boxes that I've gotten, I really haven't been super wowed by it. It hasn't really gotten my taste. I don't think she's really catching on. So I am gonna request a new stylist. She was Brianna. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.